Hello everyone! It's the end of the year. We have to clean up warehouse again. Many medical samples in the warehouse. Surface treatment demo, processing technology samples, etc. There are 2 boxes. Total 3 boxes medical part samples. The samples are made for demo only. Let's see what's inside. It's a 5-axis machine, the medical part. You can see many impellers on the tapered surface. It should be aluminum material. It's light. We made it for medical exhibition sample. It's an exo sample with stainless steel 420 material. Because the 420 is durable material, many motor-related parts are made of stainless steel 420 material. It's a medical device part. It can be machined in many ways. We use CNC to machine the sample and change to memo when in the mass production to save the cost. The material is 316L. Many medical parts are made of 316L. Here we have a special tube. Take a look. It's industrial endoscope screwing tube. The inside is hollow, so it's a tube, not a wire. Because we are doing many medical endoscope parts, and some industry customer will also looking for us to produce the parts for them. It's a medical tube for inside blood vessel device. The tube's diameter is 0.7 mm. There is a PTFE surface treatment, so you can see the surface is slithery, and the color is dark green. You cannot see clearly.